Hi, everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Tracie Mahan, and this can be a channel segment with Arcturian Daniel and Friends. Before I get started, real quick, Elevate Your DNA link is down below for June 30th online 1-hour journey with Daniel. Everything has been changing so quickly, you guys, and if we're all paying attention, we're going to see it. We're going to see the changes that's happening physically and in our realities. So Elevate Your DNA. That is about the DNA that is changing in our bodies to get us ready for the uh, next level of energy that's coming in. And so lots and lots of fluxes in the energy and in our timelines and all kinds of things happening. So go check that out. That's down below. That's going to be Sunday, June 30th. If you're listening to this after Sunday, June 30th, you could still get the recording of it through the same link. So go check out the link. All right, you guys, don't forget also January, Egypt. We're going again, and it's going to be a lot of fun, and it's going to be a lot of powerful transformational things going on. So if you're up for that, check out Egypt. Okay, let's go get Daniel. All right. We are always so happy to be here with you, to be in the joy of all the things that are changing in your world and to see them as joy, to experience everything in joy. Lots of interesting things going on all around you all the time and in you and through you. So as you partake in each day, we ask you to be in awareness, be in enlightenment, be a smile for someone else, be a cheerful hello and an opening of a door. All the little simple things can make the biggest differences. And we just thank you all for being here at this time and this planet. This is what you all came for. You've been building up and building up and learning about light workers and star seeds and volunteers and whatever it is that you call it. Feeling the call coming into your heart, feeling the call come into your whole being, knowing that there's so much more to this world than 9 to 5 and then get up and do it again, right? And so we thank you all for being here, for hearing the call, for answering that call, for being the seeker of truth and knowledge, and for everything you're finding along the way. And as you do that, as you are moving through this world, this reality, you are able to enlighten yourselves more and more to the possibilities of humankind. You are opening yourselves to magnificent changes, both within yourselves, within your realities, and within your global reality. As times are changing and you are taking notice, you noticing those changes is creating more change. It is impossible to not create change when noticing or looking at something. Just the mere fact of looking at it creates change. And so as you are moving through your reality, it is important to remember that your thoughts are creating. And as you are looking at things and you are reflecting on things, how would you like them to change? What vibration would you like to meet that at? If you are unhappy with something that's going on in your life, what would happen if you changed the way you were meeting it, greeting it, experiencing it? What if you challenged yourself to enjoy it or to look at it through a different pair of eyes, get a different perspective? As your powerful creations are all around you all the time, mirroring back to you the very things that you like and dislike in this world, that you like and dislike within self, attracting like a magnet to yourself things that are there for you to heal and things that are there for you to celebrate. And as you look at it, it will change. As you pause to understand it, it will change. So think about, how would you like to experience your day, your time? And if you're saying, oh, I'd like to experience it with joy and happiness and exciting abundance and all the things, right? But then we ask you, how are you greeting your day? What is your vibration? What is your energy? Is your energy matching that desire? Turn it up. Turn it up. Nice and loud, right? Your favorite song just came on the radio. Turn it up. And that favorite song is I Can Have It All. And you can dance to it. You can play in it. You can sing to it. You can celebrate with it. And even, or especially when it doesn't look like it's happening, celebrate. Celebrate what's coming. It's here for you now. It's coming in. The last of that you don't want is on its way out. And it's time to celebrate something new. Create something new. Believe in yourself. Believe in your dream. Believe in the people around you. You are speaking in a positive way about everything you are experiencing. You have arrived, and you will enjoy that vibe of positivity. We know we are speaking so very generally, in that each and every one of your experiences and each and every one of your realities is going to be unique. It's going to take you looking at that in its uniqueness to figure out how to create the change for yourself in your reality under your circumstances. But what we truly wish for every single one of you is joy, happiness, love in your life, a playful environment, something that's stimulating for you, sees you, understands you, embraces you, celebrates with you. With that, dear ones, we will return to Tracie. And we thank you all for being here. And thank you for letting us be a part of your journey today. All right. That's making me think, how am I going into this day? How do I want this day to fall into place? And I have to tell you, I just did a big project in my backyard. And when you're starting that project and you're just getting started, like we had to dig up some ground, we had to move some dirt around, that was the hardest part of the journey, right? Is breaking ground and recreating and moving things around so it doesn't look like it did before. I always turn my projects into a metaphor, by the way. If you haven't met me, that's what I do. So unearthing things and rearranging it and clearing out the stuff that wasn't working for us anymore. And the things that, gosh, there was just a part of the yard that's just not pretty, right? And my little one here. You want to say hi to everybody? She's making some noise. Okay, so it's time to get into that and remove some rocks and shuffle things around and create something new for us. And I can't tell you, we finished it last night, and it's like I'm walking out in a whole different reality. It's amazing, and it just feels lighter. It was a lot of hard work. My body's sore. We were putting pavers down. We were digging up earth. We were moving things around, and constructing things. And at the end of the day, man, I was tired. I was sore, and so were my kids. And thank you for my children who were helping me. We were taking in loads of sand, wheelbarrow at a time, and moving paver blocks. It was a lot of work. So what I want to say is change isn't easy, but boy, now that we're done, now that we're through that part, I get to enjoy this. I get to sit outside in my new patio and I get to just relax and enjoy it. And that's what I want to share with you guys. You know, change sometimes isn't easy. It can be hard. I even got cut. I got owie. Um, and you know, there's things that we got to do. We got to push through. Maybe it takes a little longer than we thought it was going to. Maybe, you know, the sore muscles stick around a little longer than we want them to. But when we get through it, once we're at the other side of that, you're going to look back and it's going to all be worth it. It just is. So whatever you're facing, whatever challenges you're going through, just remember that you got everything it takes to get there. One step at a time. Don't look at the big picture. That was helping me not to look at the big picture, but to look at what's right in front of me. This is the project I'm going to do today. This is my goal for today. And and then if I like one day I achieved that, and then I did a whole bunch more on the other side, but my goal was to finish this one piece. And then when I got that done, I realized I have energy and I have time. I'm going to go start the next project. And so I was able to actually get two things done because I wasn't overwhelmed by the whole thing. So I just want to encourage all of you guys, chunk it down, make it manageable, whatever the change is, whatever it is you want to do, and get the support around you that you need. I had my kids, they were my support. And you're going to get that done. You're going to get through it. It's going to be wonderful. You're going to be glowing at the end of that. And you're going to really be able to enjoy what comes after. All right, you guys, I'm going to wrap that up. Please click like if you can, please. Go over and click like. That helps me share the video around, and comment. I'd love to hear your comments. I do read them. I try to at least acknowledge them with the little hearts and stuff if I don't have time to actually type out a response. But when I get my moments, I like to go in and read the comments and stuff. So I appreciate you guys that are always sharing. Thank you so much. I love that. And I appreciate all of you. Until the next video, we'll see you guys. And hopefully I see you guys on Sunday, the 30th. It's just a few days away. Go check out that link and let's do the Elevate the DNA together. All right. Until next time. Bye-bye.